So Iyabo Ojo and her man Paulo. Oh bim 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 bim. So they stepped out yesterday. Iyabo Ojo and Paulo, they are currently in Austin, Texas. Remember Iyabo Ojo is promoting her movie Lododo, something like that. Yeah, I think Lododo, something like that. Yes, around the globe. And guys, anyways, before I say one or two, about this particular scene, watch the after party video. Back to the basics. See, let no one deceive you. Love is sweet when you meet the right person. Money is important. Money is one of the factors to a long lasting relationship and marriage. Yes. But you see, love itself is the main cocoa inside the cocoa, and love in old age is the sweetest of all. Hmm? See the way Obimbim opened the car for her to enter. See the way they kissed. See the way, see, you see all these old wines, guys, they don't taste life. They have meander, they have done the do's. Like, ah, you can never compare old love, old school Labake love to this new generation love. Oh. When you date an old man, I'm not saying the married ones, so please don't go and date somebody's husband. When you date an old man, somebody, a man in his late 40s, not the Olori Bruku ones, so we have the Olori Bruku ones, yes. And a man who refused to get married in his late 40s, 50s, 60s, guys, 60% of them are red flags. Now they are walking red flag. That is the time you will know that age is just a number. However, when you are fortunate to date the one that circumstance or circumstances made him remain single till that age, not the Oloriburuku one, no, the one that is not Oloriburuku. The way they will spoil you with love, the way they will pamper you, they have seen it all. Trust me, there are men that are not fortunate with this love of a thing. They are not fortunate. Almost everybody they have dated, or all the women they have dated, they are the ones doing them dirty. They're just what they just want is true love. They just want someone that will come into their life, and show them true love. If you are fortunate to get this type, hey, every day of your life, you'll be praying for that your man. Every day of your life, you'll be praying in your next life. I beg, as God is molding me in my mother's womb, God should also mold you in his mother's womb. And as soon as they come word, God, I beg, go on our path should cross. Like, this will be your earnest prayer. You see this Iyabo Ojo and Bim Polo, they are just enjoying their lives. They don't want distraction. Iyabo once said that she doesn't need marriage. Like, she's not interested in marriage. Polo is not interested in marriage. They just want to enjoy their lives. They just want, but that one, nah, fornication. Oh. Me, I will say the truth. You know me now. I will always say the truth. It's either you concur or you disagree. That is it. One thing you must agree to one. uh You are entitled to your own opinion, but this is my own personal opinion. Una they do immigrant, they quash like una they dollar the obo, una they do that in mama and papa style, and I don't want marry. That's fornication, but that's by the way, they just want to enjoy their lives. They don't want distraction. They don't want, and marriage comes with loss and loss of baggages. Like, it takes by the special grace of God for that love to still remain intact after marriage. You guys must be ready, dedicated, selfless. Every fact, if you're not ready to put in the work, I beg, stay single. It is well, oh, I wish them all the best. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share, so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on this channel. We react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing up for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Bye.